Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Rick, and Rick is here for his 1-year follow-up. You look amazing. That's all I can say. I didn't recognize you. I was overwhelmed with excitement, and I'm going to actually ask you, what is your feeling about your new hairline?
Feel like a new person. That's all it is. Feel like a new person. I'm just overwhelmed. Results came out perfect. So yeah, 100% great with the results. So
What do your friends say about your hairline?
to be honest, they didn't really see before and after, so they're not really that amazed. But yeah, they all think it's natural. That's the main part.
It is big time natural, and it's incredible with where we started, and you actually have a completely new hairline. You can't even see the scar. You do a fade pattern exactly how you should, right underneath where the scar line would be, and just looks absolutely amazing. You're washing your hair like you normally do.
Yes,
You go swimming.
Everything is perfect. Go my natural throughout the day is normal. Everything is normal. I'm back to myself. The confidence is A1 now. So before it was going down, but it's confidence is up.
You look amazing. I thank you so much for coming into the office and doing a video for us, let alone letting me see the results. I'm so excited for you.
And the 1 year went by real quick. So if you're worrying about the time, the 1 year will go by real quick.
Any other recommendations for somebody who's on the fence about considering getting a hair transplant?
Just get it done. It's the best feeling. Just get it over with. That's all I gotta say. Don't worry about the time. Just get it done.
And the incision site?
When you just started, you're gonna feel a little. I'm gonna be honest. You're gonna feel a little bit of pain, but after 2 or 3 weeks, it's gonna be normal. You're good, and you're not even gonna see it.
Well,
Not even the barber knows. So yeah,
that is exactly what we like to
Not
hear.
even the barber knows. It's so thin, nobody really noticed. So that's that.
Well, Rick, thank you so much for coming back into the office. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants, and you look amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.